Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unlocking the hidden meanings in a famous Quranic chapter.
A modern interpretation of Surah Al-Kahf suggests its stories are powerful allegories for our lives today. Okay, so let's dive into this framework that reimagines these ancient verses.
This structure is like a roadmap for the surah's deeper messages. Let's start with the first one.
Yeah, it's about way more than just some guys sleeping for a few hundred years.
This interpretation, which actually echoes psychologist Carl Jung, sees the cave as a symbol of spiritual rebirth.
So it's a powerful metaphor for escaping self-alienation. Now let's jump to the most crucial layer.
And this isn't just about the first man and a fallen angel, you know? It's really about us.
The crucial point here isn't the mistake itself, but the response to it.
Adam's self-critique leads to growth, while Iblis's blame, well, that just leads to arrogant rebellion.
So what is Satan, according to this interpretation?
It's basically the evil we internalize until it becomes a part of who we are.
This completely reframes evil as a direct consequence of our own free will.
Okay, now what's really interesting about this slide is the number.
This isn't just a coincidence. It suggests a kind of symbolic balance.
So the choice between them really defines our character. But what's the risk if we get this wrong?
Well, when we externalize evil, when we blame something else, we create some pretty serious problems.
It lets us say, the devil made me do it, instead of actually taking responsibility. And it's not about literally bowing. It's about a really fundamental principle of existence.
This is how humanity harnesses nature. You know, from forging iron to building entire civilizations.
His rebellion was rooted in arrogant pride over his origin, an arrogance based on what he was made of.
This perfectly illustrates the two ways of seeing this, as something happening outside us or inside us.
So what's the big takeaway? Ultimately, these stories are about you.
And that's the real challenge this leaves us with, turning Scripture into a mirror for our own soul.